physiotherapy department in a district headquarters hospital or any government hospital plays a crucial role in the rehabilitation of patients with musculoskeletal, neurological, and cardiopulmonary conditions. It helps restore movement, reduce pain, and improve overall function. The basic requirements for setting up a physiotherapy department include a dedicated space with treatment rooms, an exercise area with proper flooring, a waiting area, and privacy partitions for patient comfort. It must have qualified staff, including physiotherapists, physiotherapy assistants, and rehabilitation technicians who are trained to provide therapy based on patient needs. Additionally, maintaining proper patient records, having emergency support, and offering patient education materials are essential for smooth operations. The department should be equipped with essential physiotherapy devices such as electrotherapy machines and heat and cold therapy devices, hot packs, heating pads, and cryotherapy units. Additionally, manual therapy tools like massage tables, traction units, and hand exercise tools are necessary for patient recovery. For an advanced physiotherapy setup, additional equipment such as hydrotherapy units, laser therapy machines, gait and balance training equipment, and posture correction devices can be included. The manpower requirement includes at least one physiotherapist per 10 patients, along with occupational therapists, speech therapists, and orthotists for specialized cases. The budget and policies for a government hospital's physiotherapy department should cover infrastructure, staff salaries, training programs, and maintenance of equipment. Additional financial support through grants and public-private partnerships can help improve the quality of services. Would you like a detailed budget estimate for setting up this department in a hospital?